Welcome to Pixelvestors. If you're ready to learn, remember to like and subscribe. Welcome, Pixelvestors. Today, we begin the most important journey of all, the journey of your first emerald. To understand money, we must first understand value. Is this block of dirt valuable?
Not really. But what about this? Some things are rare and useful, which gives them value. But instead of trading diamonds, we use something everyone agrees is valuable.
We use
Money.
Let's see it in action. Money helps us get things we need. A need is something you must have to survive, like food when you're hungry.
Meeting a need is always a top priority.
But what about things we don't need? A want is something that's nice to have, but isn't essential.
The first rule of a smart plan is simple. Always take care of your needs before you spend on wants.
But now Eric has a new problem. He has met his needs, but he has no more money.
So, what's next? He needs to earn more, and you earn money by providing value. It's time to get to work. Providing value often means solving a problem. Look here. This path is a mess, and that makes this villager unhappy. And there you have it. Eric solved a problem, provided value, and was rewarded. He didn't just get an emerald, he earned it.
Good work also earns you respect.
Now that Eric has money, he has a choice. What should he do with it? That brings us to our next lesson, saving. To reach a bigger goal, you can't spend right away. You need to SAV. Saving means keeping your money safe to use later. You have to decide what's more important, a small treat right now or a great tool that will help you in the future.
But one emerald isn't enough. Reaching a big goal takes time and consistent effort.
And now, the moment he's been working for. He's not just spending money, he's investing in a better tool. Saving doesn't just get you a reward, it gives you the tools to chase even bigger goals.
An incredible journey. Eric learned what money is, how to earn it, and the power of saving it for a goal. But what happens when you have to spend? Let's look at one final choice. Eric has one emerald left and a new job to do.
He could buy this awesome-looking creeper head. It's cool, but it's a want. It doesn't help him do anything.
He could buy this potion. His next job is to gather clay from the river. So for his business, this potion is a need. A smart choice that helped him get the job done.
Today, you've learned the entire journey of money. What it is, how to earn it through hard work, the power of saving for a big goal, and the wisdom of choosing needs over wants.
But learning is only the first step. Next week, we put it all into practice. It's time to start our very first business.